Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to customize your dashboard in Clickup. So first thing is just simply go to your workspace. Now from here you will have dashboards on the left side of the screen, and you will have an option to just simply select this plus icon, which is create dashboard over here. And after that it will redirect you over here, so you will have multiple options over here. You will have multiple templates. You can go for simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, or client portal. So from here guys, right away you should have templates over here. And now guys, when you want to start from scratch, you can just simply click on this one, and after that you will have multiple cards over here. As you can see, you'll have multiple categories. Let's say I'm gonna go for the featured only over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for the task list. Now from here guys, just simply select a location. So I'm gonna put it on the personal over here, and after that just simply provide the task name over here and click on add card. And after that it will redirect you where is it located. As you can see, we will have here the dashboard that we have, and if you want to add another one, you just simply click on the plus icon over here, go for start from scratch, and you will have multiple options as well. You just simply select one and just simply provide all of the necessary information and click on add card. Now from here guys, you can just simply add card over here on the top right corner of the screen, and now you can just simply add another one. Let's say I'm going to go for portfolio, and just simply provide all of the necessary information needed and click on add card. And as you can see, you should be able to customize it over here. You should be able to resize it based on your preferences. And now you can just simply go ahead and click on add card if you want to add another one. And now if you want to go for another dashboard, you can just simply create one over here and select a specific template and create one, and you will have this right here. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.